Hello friends, I am BM. In this video I will show you how to install Zoom app in desktop or laptop. Okay, let's start the video. Open browser, type on search Zoom. Now click on downloading the Zoom. After this, click on download center. Now click on download 64-bit. My operating system is 64-bit. Okay, file is downloading, please wait. Okay, file is downloaded. Now click on Zoom installer full. Now installing Zoom application, please wait while take a time. Okay, installing. Okay, now the installation was successful. Now click on done. You see, this is Zoom interface. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.